what's up with your hair? And I'm like, what you mean what's up with my hair? Like, it's ugly, I don't like it. And I'm like, what did that got to do with me? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl teijae. It's your girl teijae. I'm installing this Balm A unit, okay, from Beauty Forever hair. So we gotta get into it. Look at all this goodness. Look at all this. Look, let's just get into it, okay? This is some pretty curly hair. I don't know if this is my first time ever having their curly hair. I've had their hair before, but I'm not sure if I had their curly hair before. But sis, as you can see, these curls are very full and thick, and I'm just here for it. So if you guys are interested in seeing if how I installed this unit, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to make sure your notifications are on. And yeah, so just stay tuned to the next part of the video. And yeah. Okay guys, so we're doing another install today, and it's a closure wig, so I'm super excited. I did a change of scenery just so I can get some natural lighting. The sun is out today. The sun is out heavy, okay? It is a little hot in here, man. I swear, it's just always hot. So if you guys hear noise, it's just my ceiling fan so I can get some air. I know it's cold outside, but it's just freaking hot in here. Like, turn the heat down, turn the heat down. I'm just not a heat person, that's just me. Okay, I'm getting off topic. But anyway, this is what the unit is looking like. I have not put any foundation or anything on it. This looks like a tinted lace, and it does look HD. I love HD laces. So yeah, so it looks tinted to my complexion. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. Oh god. Off camera, like I said, I didn't do anything but pluck it. I haven't washed it or conditioned it. This is just what it's giving straight out the pack, and this looks good. Like I said, the only thing I did was pluck it. Like I said, I don't know if it's a transparent lace or if it's tinted to my complexion, but as you guys can see, this looks amazing. When I say amazing, this looks a freaking amazing. This looks good, okay? I kind of detangled it off camera. This is why we coming on here looking crazy. Like, your girl don't be looking like that. Well, no, honestly, I do. But we gonna fix it, y'all. Trust the process, because it's not gonna stay like this. So today I'm actually laying my hair down with my Got To Be Glue Freeze Blasting Spray. I'm just gonna take some of my, y'all, I'm still thinking of this story or this thing I watched on Facebook. I'm just gonna lightly wipe away some of my makeup where I'm gonna lay the lace. Yo, I got my bag. This is a knockoff bag, but it's old. Hey, do people even wear these anymore? I do not see nobody wearing these. But anyway, I put all my hair stuff in it. Like, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the entire thing. You can work in sections. I don't. Closures, it's just not necessary or is needed. But I do spray a lot because I want it to last the entire day. Dryer, cool heat and setting. Okay. So I don't let it dry down all the way because ain't nobody got time for that. And plus, if you do that, you will have to add more layers because it's going to be dry and it's not going to stay. So basically this is what I'm doing, just pulling it down to where I want it to sit or lay. And lately I just wanted it to be natural, not too far down on my forehead, because sometimes I just do the most. My forehead is big, so sometimes I get carried away. So now I'm just gonna take the little scarf they gave me and lay it down for a couple of seconds. Oh, this is cute. This is ombre. Look at this, y'all. This is cute. It's cute. I'm just gonna take this ratchet bun majiggy down and just lightly comb this out, because girl, I don't like using combs like these. These are so big and bulky. It's just annoying. And I did not fully detangle this, so y'all, I can't get over that video that I seen on Facebook. I don't know what was happening in the video, but anyway, he was about to walk up to her. I mean, he walked up to her and he just snatched her wig off. Like, she was doing all her running and talking to her mouth. I mean, running at the mouth. And he just snatched her wig off. And it just makes me laugh, because I don't think he knew her at all, but he could tell that her wig was not on. I'm not a drama-filled person, so I know ain't no way in heck nobody would ever try to yank my wig off. But for the people who are like confrontational and just always running at the mouth, sis, at least make sure your wig is on, because that's embarrassing. One time I went somewhere and I had a fake ponytail on. Honey, I was not about to embarrass myself by getting on a ride. No, when I came off that ride, I was not gonna have no ponytail. Like, some people just be chancing, like, oh, it's not gonna go nowhere. Do y'all know the speeds that rides, the wind speeds? You know what that gives when you on a ride? Like, if I'm going to a amusement park, if I'm going anywhere, I'm gonna make sure my wig is secure, because I just can't. We about to cut this lace off, okay? You see what she's giving. I feel like this is where I go wrong, but like I said, this is an HD lace. I feel like it looks so good. It's just easy for me to install. So yeah, like I said, this hair has not been washed or conditioned or anything. I feel like it could use a co-wash. That's just me and my personal opinion. When it comes down to curly hair, I just feel like co-wash just would set it off, but I might install it straight out the pack, so we not doing that today. I thought somebody was coming. I was about to say, I'm about to watch you bang right on the door, because that's exactly what I do. Ooh, it's giving me. Okay, let me just calm down. Okay. I'm gonna take some and spray some on my finger, because I feel like this part is where I start messing up and where stuff don't blend. But maybe this is all I had to do. Uh-oh, I think we winning, y'all. I think it's working. I think it's working. Don't put too much. Take your time. Me talking to myself. Okay, now what should I do? Should I put the scarf back on it? We're gonna try to put the scarf on it and see if that works. Okay, so while that laying down, I'm gonna start detangling this properly, because it has not been detangled properly at all. I don't know if I'm doing baby hairs today, depending on how this look when I lift this up. Ooh, it doesn't look bad at all. Now I look like a little ash right here. And y'all see that? Yeah, I can see that. Let me see if I can just naturally wipe it away without doing too much. Over here look a little crusty. I don't think it looks that bad for me not to. I'm gonna put some more Vaseline glue on this side though, because this side did look like it melted correctly, like it should have. Okay, so got my concealer. This is in the shade Toffee. Just gonna take some out, put some on the back of my hand like this. I'm gonna take a little edge brush or an angled brush. I don't know where this is from, probably Amazon. And I'm just gonna stick it on the part. Some of my leave-in conditioner in. This is by Aussie, and then I'm gonna also spray my Total Miracle detangling spray in as well. This, I guess, ooh, I could have did that to detangle with. But Aussie products smell amazing, okay? It always smells so good. And then Got to Be Glue's products smell amazing as well. The curly hair products. Girls, they're so freaking cute. You guys can't tell me nothing. Yes, these are beautiful. Look how juicy and look how they look. I remember one time someone was like, what's up with your hair? And I'm like, what you mean what's up with my hair? Like, it's ugly, I don't like it. And I'm like, what does that got to do with me? What does that have to do with me at all, you know? And they were just looking at me like, you're not gonna go change it? No, I'm not gonna change my hair. Like, you know how long it took for me to do it, one. Two, I did it in a style that I like. That's like the same thing with like perfume and stuff. You like a certain scent or smell, and then you go wear it and someone says stink. Like, okay, it can stink to you. It may stink to you. Let me finish this because my battery's dying. I need to change out my battery, so by the time I come back I should be done. Y'all get the drift of how to do this. And my water bottle is broken, so it's making it mad hard. Did I brush this out? Okay guys, so I finished my entire head. I did the other half off camera, so this is what she's given at this present moment in time. And I say these curls are super full, super duper juicy. Oh, to see what the front is doing. Ha. Okay, so I think I left it on too long because it looks weird, but this is just what it's given without me doing any type of baby hairs. Like, it's not bad, but I don't like it. I feel like it's bland, like it's boring. Which of course, maybe I could just give myself like 2 swoops. Being that has no baby hairs, I think it looks natural as freak. I really think it looks good, but it's just me getting used to not having no baby hairs and having so much head out. Should I swoop? Should I at least do like a swoop? I'm gonna try to just do a swoop. but this is pretty much it. This is how it came out. Like I said, I haven't washed or conditioned or anything like that. This is just how it came out. I just used my products that I've said a trillion times throughout the video. I haven't had any problem with this unit tangling up on me. I have received shedding, of course. I did receive shedding when I first went into detangle the hair, and then I also received shedding when I was doing my curly hair routine. And yeah, I did leave the hair on the brush as well, so you can see how much came out the second time I went into detangle. So this is how much came out then. But sis, I'm really feeling myself. I really like this hair. But anyway, this is definitely hair you can wear for vacation. I would definitely say for spring, because y'all know spring is coming up, so this would be some gorgeous hair to travel with. Again, like I said, it's a closure, so it's pretty easy to maintain. Look how this, y'all, that looks snatched. Like, what? I feel like I never can get this side to like flip over like the other one, but I really feel like this looks amazing. Like, it's nice, thick and full. It's not too thin and it's not too thick. It's just right. I love the length. I don't have the hair details on me, so check the description section below if you guys are wondering the length of it. But I love it. It's not too long, because the thing I like about this hair though, I like how long it is, but it's still full. Sometimes when you have curly hair, it's thin the longer it gets, if that makes sense. So I love how the consistency is just the same. It's like full from the root, and as you go down, it's thick as well. So I'm just all the way here for it. I'm super excited how this hair turns out, y'all. I'm completely obsessed. So yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and your girl will see you in my next video. Bye guys.